When the dishes were done and the laughter still bright, 6 little ornaments came to life that night. From colors that shimmered and sparkled and shone, each one found a spirit uniquely its own. Grace remembered the hands that prepared every plate. Her heart whispered softly, "Be thankful, not late." Joy twirled her laughter till cranberries danced. Her sparkle and silliness left everyone entranced. Hope looked ahead with a promise so clear. We'll gather again this time next year. Peace hushed and chattered like soft falling snow, bringing warmth to our hearts in her calm, gentle glow. Sage told old stories that made young eyes gleam, of love and of faith and of chasing a dream. And light, oh sweet light, by the candles did gleam, turning moments of thanks into pure Christmas dream. Now they hung on the Christmas tree where memories stay, carrying gratitude from that Thanksgiving day. Each bauble a blessing, each face a delight, a family of thanks glowing soft through the night. Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today we're crafting something very different, and I'm calling this Faces of Gratitude. This project is to welcome Thanksgiving. The Thanksgiving season is coming, and it's time to celebrate with your family and your friends. It's a season that we carry feelings of thankfulness, and this goes right into Christmas. You've just met Grace, Joy, Hope, Peace, Sage, and Light, my family of ornaments, each one holding a piece of the holiday spirit. Now let's make them come to life together. I'm starting with some simple shatterproof ornaments. Very easy to find on Amazon. I love them because they're lightweight, they're durable, and they're very safe for family projects. I'm using the face stickers. Yes, these are the same ones that I used on my Boo on Nicole Witch and that pumpkin flower head that you all love so much. They bring so much personality to each piece. I don't like using hot glue, not in my projects anyway. A lot of people do. But I feel when you have little kids around, it's better to stick with something simple. Something like some glitter paste or glitter glue. That's what I'm using as my adhesive today. It's fun. It's forgiving, and let's be honest, who doesn't love a little sparkle in their life and on their ornaments? Anything that shows and adds charm, that's glitter, and it has a way of turning oops into ooh and ah, and sometimes a little wow. And as I work, I think of how simple supplies can become something so meaningful and so special when made with love. Now you all know Thanksgiving is about gratitude, but it's also about togetherness. I always think back, and I love the idea of sitting around the table after Thanksgiving dinner. When your bellies are full, your heart is full, and think about it. Years ago, we used to sit around and play cards. But how about doing something different this year? How about doing a creative project? How about making some ornaments like this one? Imagine the laughter when everyone starts designing a little ornament version of each other. Maybe Aunt Juliana or Uncle Michael ends up with some glitter eyebrows. Grandma's ornament gets the prettiest flower crown. Think of the joy and creativity and connection when those ornaments hang on your Christmas tree and they carry a story with them. Homemade ornaments are the handwritten notes. They tell the world, I took the time, and the time spent together, that's the real gift. Now I'm placing these face stickers, and I try to give each one a little bit of attitude. A wink, a smile, a raised eyebrow, a crooked lip. Then I take my dried flowers, also from Amazon, and I try and create some crazy hairdos. A little touch of glue, a little glitter in the right spot, and press gently and let it dry. And suddenly, you've got a lot of personality shining through. It's amazing what a sprig of dried baby's breath or straw flower can do. And if you're doing this as a family, set up a few bowls of dried flowers, ribbons, metallic threads. Just think about the things you can put in those little bowls that you could add to these ornaments. And let everyone pick what calls to them, because art is about intuition, not perfection. Work in small batches, do a little at a time, one layer at a time. Keep the creativity flowing, and before you know it, you've made an entire little community of smiling faces. Each one of my little ornaments tells a story. Grace, the pink one, reminds me of the people who prepare and serve with love. Joy, the bright orange sparkle one, is the laughter that fills the room. Hope with those dreamy lashes, whispers that we'll be together again next year. And peace, the gentle green soul, settles the energy of the room. Sage, the storyteller, connects the generations. And light, that cool blue beauty, shines hope into the coming year. You can each name your ornaments too, maybe after a family member, or feelings, or even the dishes on your table. Imagine calling them pumpkin pie, mashed potatoes, or sparkling cider. It's all about the fun, and that's what makes the memories stick. When I think about gratitude, I think of how it multiplies when it's shared. Making art, even something this simple, is an act of thanks. We take what's ordinary and turn it into a little celebration of life. I love that this project bridges Thanksgiving and Christmas. One flows into the other. Gratitude turns into giving, and giving turns into love. That's the magic of the season. So while I'm painting and pasting and glittering, I'm also reflecting. I think about friends. I think about who I've supported and who has supported me. I think about all my members. I think about the art community that's grown around this channel, and all of you who have shared your light with me every week. And I am so grateful for each of you. I truly am. When these ornaments hang on the tree, they're more than decorations. They're little reminders of gratitude, joy, laughter, and connection, of the stories told, of hugs exchanged, and sparkles shared. If you try this project, I would love for you to share your creations using the hashtag Faces of Gratitude Ornaments so I can see them and maybe feature a few of them on my channel. Let's make this a tradition, a way of spreading thankfulness one face at a time. And if you've missed our worldwide collaboration with Love Light and Pink Beyond the Ribbon, please go back and watch it. It was breathtaking, and you may learn something, and it may save a life. I'll leave you the playlist at the end of this video. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off today with love, light, peace, harmony, and oneness. Aishu Crafty Kids Club will be following me next. Till next time.